Okay, so we're at the grocery store. Number one, this is why we stopped. Fruity Pebbles syrup. Like, I love Fruity Pebbles, I love syrup, but So while we were standing here, what we started looking at was the pure maple syrup brands. So we were immediately drawn to this one. This looks luxurious. So if I'm looking for a luxurious one, this is what I'm going for. It looks like it's a reserve. It looks like it's expensive and fancy. And the next one I'm drawn to is this one. This looks like hipsters made it. It's nice and clean. Like, hipster stuff is fine, but so it's very pretty. I like it.
Like, when you say that, you mean the branding, right?
Yeah.
The
branding.
the actual
It's clean,
design
it's
elements.
simple. But so if I want to buy something because I know it's good, what I'm going for in this whole wide range of things is this one.
How come?
Because looking at it, it looks like something that my grandparents probably bought when they were kids. Like, this brand has been in business for generations, and they make it with real ingredients. And that's pretty thin too, but the branding itself to me shows it's a family-owned business. It's old. It's
something Grandpa would
quality.
have opened up in a
It's
tin
something
can.
Grandpa would have had in tin cans when you had to cut a little triangle out of the thing and pour it, and then, like, you didn't have fridges, so, like, you just ate it before it went bad.
You mentioned before we started recording that this is the same brand, but you would never pick this one up.
No.
But you would immediately pick this one up. Why?
And what I think, I don't know, this looks cheaper.
Is it the color? Is it the old fashioned?
It looks like barbecue sauce. This is also theirs, but it's organic. I don't like that. It's this color combo that I like.
And because it makes you feel like it's traditional, like it hasn't changed.
Yeah.
You're getting better, older style.
So this is a sugar bush blend. If they're both maple syrup and these are both clear bottles, why is one of them rich and one of them is diluted? But, so what's funny is that as soon as I said that, they are a completely family-owned company. So their branding is on target. Because looking at this, I feel like they're a family business. But they were established in 1982. I was thinking more like 1952. Or like Grandma's here, 1890. But this bottle looks like jelly. I don't know how. Oh, that's molasses. I like this one. But then what's funny is that when you just said that, I looked here. New look.
Oh.
So I don't like that one. But it's their new look, same great taste. I don't trust that look.
So the branding actually causes mistrust. This one right here.
That's expensive. I would pay more for that one.
Well, so here, this is $6.69, and it looks like a bourbon bottle. It looks like something that you'd be proud to have on your shelf. This one over here is really kind of hipstery. It's really trendy. It's really simple.
You're paying for the trendy.
But it's a little bit more, and it, Skinny Sticks versus the I can't even see the brand. What is it?
Lincoln County Reserve.
Lincoln County Reserve, which already has a bourbon name. The price is wildly different.
And granted, the shape of the bottle.
The shape is actually really nice. Yeah,
and the colors.
It's very well thought out.
Like
all these brands, that's the one that catches your attention the most for class.
This is your dad's maple syrup. This is your younger sister's maple syrup that lives in the city. This is your grandpa's maple syrup. They're all good, but that's how you market it. And this is your mom who just went through a divorce and is just kind of trying new things and trying to find herself.
Well, like, why?
Doesn't know
why?
what it is. It's too much.
Because that to me screams like a kitchen.
This was made in Wisconsin by a small company.
Okay.
That's what they're trying to get. This one actually was made in Wisconsin, and they look very similar. Where was this one made? Doesn't say. There it is. Wisconsin.
Oh. Why does that look like it was made in Wisconsin? Like, what drew your attention to that?
Because it looks like somebody doesn't know what graphic design is and they put something together. They didn't do a terrible job. But like, I'd buy this at a farmer's market in Wisconsin and I'd be happy with it, but I'm not going to buy it in my store.
But not in a store. It's interesting because these are the things we think about less than a second. As we're walking through the grocery store, you see this giant wall, actually 2 giant walls of syrup. And in less than a second, your brain
I know
goes
which
through
one
this.
is which.
You know which one is which just based
If
on
I'm
the
looking for
colors.
something new and I want to try it and I want to get it for my dad, I'm going maple looking bourbon thing. If I'm like, oh, I want to impress my sister when she comes to visit me, because like, I'm cool. Look at this maple syrup I have. It's the Skinny Trees thing. And if I want something that's like, I'm cool, but I don't need everyone to know it, I eat my grandpa's maple syrup, I'm going with the older brand.
Your brain hits this in a second.
Packaging and marketing.
Yeah. Thanks, Andrew.
2 items.